Okay, good morning, ninth class. Then today we'll study about water purification system in water works. Okay, works. Actually, that previously you have done in previous video you have done about purification method, or you can say simple separation techniques. Different separation technique. Either it's for solid, liquid. Maybe it's a liquid. Maybe they are soluble. They are insoluble. Okay, so many techniques you have done for separation of mixture. Okay, so in case of water, okay, actually whatever water is supplied at our home, okay, या to our home या जितने भी घरों में अगर पानी जो आ रहा है, okay, basically that one is also a mixture. Okay, because in that one so many impurities are present, that so many large or small particles are present. Okay, so then it is very important or necessary to purify that water also. Okay, so in cities generally water is supplied from water work. This one is water works. Okay, water works basically it's a place where purification of water takes place. Okay, now just see the setup of this one, although उसको थोड़ा सा short करके समझाया गया है. Okay, but still now this one is a reservoir. Okay, normally that reservoirs हमारे पास जो होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं, mainly that the source of water you can say either it's a lake, pond, maybe river, it depends. वहाँ से हम क्या करते हैं, by through pump या pumping station that we can collect water in one place, or directly from that source you can क्या कहते हैं get water. Okay, and that one is basically known as reservoir, जहाँ से हमें क्या मिल रहा है, water मिल रहा है. तो this one is a reservoir. Now from this reservoir that water goes to sedimentation tank. Okay, this one is from this reservoir. Okay, that water goes to sedimentation tank, and you know that when water goes there, so that water contains some impurities. Now in case of sedimentation and decantation, that one is again very important topic for separation of solid and liquid, where solid is insoluble in water. Okay, then in case of sedimentation and decantation, basically what happened in that case, generally if you dissolve either it's a sand in water, clay in water, okay, so particles are heavy. So after some time, if you leave it for some time, then what that particles started settling down. Okay, so that one is, suppose this one is your glass, and if you add some sand in it and leave it for some time, so after that what happened, that one is particles started settling down. So this settling down of particles, that one is known as sedimentation. Okay, this one is sedimentation. Okay, and when you remove this clear water, okay, simple हटा दोगे, तो that one is known as decantation. Okay, so that one is sedimentation decantation process. Now just see in this one, simple, that water goes from reservoir to sedimentation tank. Okay, इसमें क्या करेंगे, leave that water for some time, इसमें थोड़े टाइम के लिए पानी को छोड़ दिया जाता है. Okay, simple, to allow heavy particles to settle down, and that process is sedimentation. That's why इसे क्या बोला है, sedimentation tank. Okay, तो what happens जब इसे छोड़ दोगे, तो जितने भी heavy particles हैं that will start settling down. ये हो गया. Then whatever is the clear water, okay, that one will goes to the loading tank. Okay, now in case of loading tank, what happened, okay, actually that particles, all particles are not heavy particles, वो छोटे छोटे भी हो सकते हैं. Okay, so in that case, if small particles, those who are suspended in this water molecules, जो water के साथ अगर suspended particles छोटे छोटे हैं, तो in case of loading tank, okay, generally we add alum. एलम सबने फिटकरी नाम सबने सुना होगा. ओके, तो एलम वी विल ऐड इन इट इन लोडिंग टैंक. तो व्हाट हैपन, एक्चुअली एलम कंबाइन विद सस्पेंडेड पार्टिकल्स, और उसको क्योंकि एलम के साथ मिलके वो हैवी हो जाते हैं सस्पेंडेड पार्टिकल्स, एंड दैट विल अगेन they will settle down with the help of suspended particles, get settled down with the help of alum. Okay, now after that, okay, this water जो बचा कुचा water है, that one will goes to another tank. Okay, now in this tank जो आपका main tank आ गया, in this tank just see, okay, it consists of 3 layer. Okay, now this one is simple water, and here this one is main purification occur in this case, and here 3 layers are there. First layer is of white fine sand. Just see, this one is of fine sand, जो छोटी बिल्कुल fine sand होती है, रेत. Okay, तो उसको रखा है. Second layer is of coarse sand. Have you seen concrete? ठीक है। कंक्रीट होता है जैसे मकान वगैरह बनाते हुए जो थोड़े थोड़े मोटे मोटे वाले होते हैं, सीमेंट के साथ मिलाते हैं, दैट वन इज अ कोर्स सैंड। ओके, दैट वन विल आई हैव शोन दिस विद ब्लू कलर। ओके, तो दिस वन इज कोर्स सैंड एंड एट लास्ट वी हैव ग्रेवल्स, छोटे छोटे पत्थर के टुकड़े, मार्बल जैसे टाइप होते हैं तो छोटे छोटे टुकड़े पत्थर। ओके ओके, एंड ऑल थ्री लेयर्स हेल्पफुल इन प्यूरिफिकेशन। इससे आपका वाटर कैसा हो जाता है, प्यूरिफाई हो जाता है। ओके, एंड वट एवर इज योर प्यूरिफाइड वाटर, ओके, एट लास्ट दिस वन इज goes from this tank where chlorination occur. Actually chlorine or either you can say bleaching powder will use for to kill bacteria, so chlorination occur in this case, and after that from this tank, okay, water will goes to that main tank जो आपके घरों के अगल बगल टंकियां वगैरह होती हैं वहां जाते हैं थ्रू पंप स्टेशन, एंड फ्रॉम देयर इज अ सप्लाई टू योर होम। यहाँ से आपके पास क्या आ जाता है, पानी इसमें आ जाता है। ओके, तो दिस वन इज सिंपल, दैट इज वाटर प्यूरिफिकेशन सिस्टम इन वाटर वर्क्स। ओके, थैंक यू।